Well, the owner of a local gun store says that it was robbed, and it made a plea on social media for help to find the robber and get the gun off the street. The store produced a video of the crime with surveillance video and music.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Now, the gun was stolen on January 2nd from the Armory on Fowler and Clinton Avenues in East Central Fresno. This video was posted on the store's Facebook page. The suspect was wearing a black baseball cap with a Nike logo and a gray sweatshirt. Gun store employees say the suspect grabbed the gun when their backs were turned. He got away in a white Chevy Impala. If you have any information about this case, you should call Fresno Police.